Dahil putang ina mo.
I wanna play more
Ano ka, AJ?
Hello, Med.
Offlane tayo, boy.
Offlane tayo, boy.
Hell yeah, kasama ulit naman si Alex. Hell yeah.
Na, fuck mo.
Dude,
Magmimid ako kung ako nakasama niya si Alex, man.
I'm going mid, bro.
Nah, I'm going mid.
Mais yung, legit mais na yung Jakiro ni Alex, boy.
Maayos yung
No
Jakiro
cap.
ni Alex. Actually,
It's not bad, no. It's not bad, no cap.
When Vance hears that,
Bro knows the cap.
Sheesh, di mo si Alex, boy. Goated. Kaya naman,
Same, all Alex. Naman, ako niya kaya kill eh. That's how gory he is.
malas.
Gina-judge yung kasi agad.
All good. Man,
Go, dude.
siya character play sa akin, carrier ko lang yan. Pengitan ko, Alex.
Tangina mo.
Ay, balik.
Ito.
Thank you.
Balik ka, boy.
Ba't kinahit, Alex?
Boy, hindi to
Yeah.
makasiya sa akin.
All good.
Dapat ka dito.
Thank give na hunger.
Ay, gago.
Alas.
Wait lang, gago. Ay, gago. Ayoko na, Vance. Ayoko na. I'm actually empty.
Ang ina, boy, kumakain ka na lang ng puno, ah.
I'm actually empty.
Go rin.
Ang ingit si Alex, boy, low health ako, tapos kumain siya ng dalawang puno. Sarap ko. Man, sad.
Nakita.
I don't know what I'm doing right now. Pero,
Anong cute talaga ng carrier
Damn,
ko?
their 2 kills is me. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
That's wrong.
That's crazy. For the first time, it's not Alex. God damn.
Yeah. He's goated,
Alex is
bro.
moving up in the world.
God damn, he's
Hell
go.
yeah.
Like,
Actually. He has 2 kills, man. He's the goat.
go, dude.
He's my goat.
Taka kay Centaur.
Actually, kaya nyo. 100 ang buhay ni Stark eh.
300 agad. Ito, nasa
Now
300 din.
that's a proper bloodletting.
Uy. Ano?
Who broke?
why
Him?
Kumi is cooking mid?
Simboy. Lagi naman. Ikaw lang naman, Alex, ang hindi. Malas.
Sim.
Malas.
Malas.
So getting cook again.
Maganda na nga yung laro ni Alex. Niluluto pa rin siya.
Kinuha mo rin.
Man.
Okay lang yun, Alex.
Okay lang yan, Alex. You'll learn.
At least hindi kami.
Doing nothing here.
That's why. You're hovering. That's called hovering. It's goated.
It's the rule of nature.
Nice one, boy.
Oh, nice one.
Oh, ayun.
Nice one.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer. Every night, I can feel my leg.
Wala, boy. Cooldown pa eh.
Doop dap, doobity doo. I'm gonna have a feeling about you. Hey, doop dap.
Ginagano mo?
Punta na dyan si ano. Si Slark.
Good job.
Dapat dito.
Push niya. Go natin to. Nice one.
Diyos ko po.
Puta mo, huwag nangyari doon.
Ay, ito yung nangyari na AJ.
Oo, boy.
Whatever talaga eh.
Gera hanap ko eh.
Q. Q na, boy. Q.
Ulti. Malas.
CD ako?
Tara.
Ay, CC ako pala.
Oh, I have ulti. Ooh.
Oh, sarap. Ooh!
Ayan,
Nice try, Alex.
Galang.
Gigi.
Jeez. Hell yeah.
Ano ba yung traumatized na yung Slark?
Several days later.
Nice. Good.
Goated.
Hindi, wala ng blood grenade.
Good.
Sad.
Michael.
Tara-tara, eh.
Asan na sila, boy?
Not
Boy,
daliwata para
Oh, that's what I like.
Chimo boy.
Good. Wala ba yung blood grenade? Why does Alex always have blood grenades, bro?
Si CS ka pa eh. Piece of shit.
Uy,
Sino kalaban natin? Tekis, no?
Pekis.
Wala pa akong tag team.
Blood grenade, boy.
Oh, I
Wala akong
like this
blood
Alex.
grenade,
Okay.
Kinuha lahat ni Alex.
No, all good man. Nablock ako dun. It's kinda sad. Nablock ako na minion wave nila boy. Ano, sad.
Yeah. Pero mamaya boy, pag may tag team na ako, patay na yan for sure.
We spend the night together from now on.
Yeah, hindi yung Tara boy.
May tanggo pa, boy.
Yun nga lang.
Oh my god.
Baka na boy. Eh, nasa atik link ka pre.
Hindi, wait.
Where is that fighting, bro?
Malayo. Di na.
Sakay.
Go, Rich!
Yun.
Tangina boy, ang galing ko talaga mag-Dorit.
Same. Uwi ka muna boy. Pengi ako tango mamaya.
Teka lang boy, pupunta ako sa taas.
Sige lang. Gabi na.
Dorit!
This is my go. Go with it.
Man. Ang goofy talaga ng role ng Lord ni Night Stalker. Alam niyo ba yung lore na ito?
Ano yun boy?
Ano boy? Dati 'di ba wala pang mga ilaw? Wala pang araw puro gabi lang. Tapos dumating si Kotol boy, nagpakita ng umaga. Tapos sa sobrang liwanag,
Bro was like-
namatay lahat ng race ni Stalker.
Damn.
Bro was like, let there be light.
Same, and then like, namatay yung buong race ni Night Stalker. I said,
It's Lord's actually cool. It's crazy.
Tara, bot tayo.
boy ball.
Di mo worded to. Man,
Teka
this is
lang.
worded.
Boy, snowball.
That's one boy.
That's what I like.
Snowball mo boy.
Hindi boy, patay na yan.
Snowball boy.
Go with it.
Dorit!
I saw. Got it.
Dala ka nga, Das, Alex, just in case. Das, boy, ah.
Dust of
Okay.
Nice.
Wait, you already have
Oras-
dust?
Damn.
Bro, di ko na
That's
kailangan
right.
sabihin. Ah, damn.
He's learning. Let's
Go,
go.
Los.
He's starting to believe. Yan na.
Alex, baka?
May Walrus TT na ako boy.
Ayan bro. You have a walrus cock.
Hell yeah.
Damn. This is the goat.
Walrus cock.
Bro,
Who's packing a punch?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Bro, yapping again.
Gago putang ina ano to? No, this shit bro.
Nahabol ka boy.
Boy, ba't ka nagpo-pull man?
The shock's pretty good. I don't know why I don't use him. He seems like a type of character I'd like to
Putang
use.
inang-
He's like the most mage character in the game, man.
Yeah, I like mage characters.
Boy! Pupunta na ako ng top lane! Get the fuck out! Oh, boy. Taka.
Call an ambulance! Call an ambulance! But not for me!
Don't know.
Bro got a clover finger.
Sayang
Oscar
na
things.
Nice try. Nice try do.
Tiklink ako.
Gago pre, may Huskar. Darkness Palace boy.
Ang ano ba tatlong tao nandito?
Sabi sa'yo boy, may
Damn.
Huskar.
Damn.
Damn, they really like their carry, huh? Gusto nyo go mid? Tara mid.
Tara, calm down.
Taka ba?
Tara. On the way.
Pali pa. Okay boy.
Oscar muna, boy.
Nice
Wala,
one
bigay
boy.
din.
Big na yun? Hmm?
Wala
Boy,
akong
habol lang.
words. Nice one.
Bro
Hindi
don't
na
know.
bibigay
Bro
na siya.
don't know. Bro don't know I'm gay.
Damn.
Nice one.
Goated.
Nice one.
May tayo?
Got it.
Lahat kasi ng kalaban mo kanina, boy, viable mag-heals eh.
May ano, may Huskar, may Huskar.
I liked it
Gusto
though.
niyo?
On the way, on the
Punta na
way.
rin ako, boy. May Dark Ascension na rin ako.
May Razor, man. Ito, tao to. Ayun, nag-static beat na siya.
Patay yan.
Sige,
Go, Red.
idol. Okay
Let's
ka.
go.
Oo.
The sacrifices. Ayun na.
Sige,
Ayun
putang
na.
ina mo.
Putang ina, kinantok ng bakla.
Binading naman.
Inanyak eh.
Damn, natiwata pares boy.
Teka lang, kailangan ko muna ng heal.
Okay, you know.
Nasa kiligod for me
Step
to.
off. I've seen the amplify.
Uy,
Come on, boy.
putang.
Uy.
Damn, nice ever.
Uy.
Got him.
Wow.
Wala akong W, pre. Ay, patay niyo naman yan.
Oh boy,
Ayun na. Ayun na.
Starkey pa rin.
Ayun na. Ayun, naka-ultra kill. Worth it.
Worth it. I'm this close.
Gago, ba't mas malaki XP ni Alex? Hindi, tanga, kanina pa kasi pag-gala-gala eh.
Boy, wala ka na akong XP man. XP mo lang pag dumadalaw ka minsan sa akin. May bigyan kita lang isa dalawang wave.
Sim, na, this ain't it. It's too boring.
Kaya pakain ka lang ng pares boy.
Home team.
Tsaka
Good.
fried chicken.
Good.
Sikin ni Diwata. Para sa may
De boy, kay Romnick yun.
Oo, pero kanina pa
kanina
kaya
pa,
mauna si Idol kanina.
Di nga siya mawala kanina. Parang walang kwenta yung heal niya.
Wala siya makuha.
Sa Tonic siya wala naman siya damage.
TP ako ba?
Wala na, boy.
Get him up, let him get up, let him get up, let him get up.
Oh.
Fight back, nigga! Fight back, nigga! Fight back! Fight back!
Uy, lima!
Lima.
Kumpo. Yun ang satanic moments boy.
Ayun.
Boy,
Hindi ako-
lima, boy.
Hindi ako nakapag ano. Hindi.
So muna oh, sinuing S. Ito,
Tara.
oh, nakabigay din siya.
Hindi na, boy.
Okay, di ko muna papansin yan.
Oh. Walang ginawa si Idol. Alo. Naka-aegis yun ah. Naka-aegis yun.
Bounty!
Gago si Michael. Gago,
Ano,
hindi na
sakit ng
kailangan ng
razor.
tulong ni Michael. No-cancel mo yung life break?
How?
Nabash ni Michael habang naka-ano boy, yung magla-life break.
Kaya?
Namatay ako.
Hey, I have my item.
Kaso alas
Okay,
na tayo lahat, may shard. Hindi, may shard na pala talaga tayo lahat.
Okay na boy, yung gagawin ko dyan.
Sana yun.
Tara,
Tara,
gusto
boy.
mo?
Wow, tara.
On the way. Wait lang, on the way.
Halberd boy!
Putik.
Uy,
Putang inang
Hindi ko alam.
Man, I was 2-4.
Oh, gago.
Boy ka boy. Stop. I can
So,
go.
ayun na ngayon.
I'm sorry.
boy.
Nice try boy, nice try.
Dark pack.
Sayang boy.
Damn bro.
Paalam boy.
Boy, cancel mo yan boy!
Wait.
Eh,
Sorry.